Vlogmas. Hey guys, it's Sharika and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. It's Vlogmas day 4. So on today's video, I will be taking you guys on a living room tour. I'm going to show you everything that I've done so far, tell you where everything is from. There's still some things that I want to get done, but I'm still going to share it with you guys. It's the holidays. I have my Christmas tree up. I'm in a good mood. So let's get into it. Start off with the sofa and the mirrors. So the mirrors are from IKEA. Everything should be in my like to know it link in the description box below. If not, then it was from Home Goods and I can't link it. So the mirrors are from IKEA. I think they were like $50 each. The lamps here are also from IKEA that I love. I got 2 of them. And you can touch them to turn them on and off. This is how it looks when they're off. And that's how they look when they're on. I love these lamps. They were really hard to find. I had to wait a very long time to get these lamps from IKEA, but I finally got my hands on them. My couch is a sectional. It's a very, very large couch. So this is one part of the couch. You can push this little piece here together to make it one large sectional, but I decided to separate it, so I have the bigger piece over here and then the chase on this side. And like I said, the couch is very large. Like, it's not coming up on camera how big the couch is, but it's a really big couch. I love this couch. This couch is from Wayfair. And then I just recently purchased these beautiful pillows. These pillows are from At Home. I love these pillows. I have 3 of them. I can't link them because, like I said, they're from At Home, but they're so pretty. They're feather-filled pillows. They have kind of like a, what would you call this material? Like a velvet material on the front. So pretty. I fell in love with these pillows when I saw them. I had some velvet black pillows on my couch before I purchased these, but I sold them to one of you guys, so thank you for purchasing them. But I got 3 of them and they're so pretty. I love, love, love these pillows. So pretty. So yeah, that is the couch. Okay, next up is the table here. So this table is also from IKEA. I just recently found this table. This table was only $50. It's a big table. Like I said, for some reason everything kind of looks smaller than what it actually is on camera, but the table is a really good size table. And like I said, I picked it up from IKEA. And then on the table, I just have some of these really pretty coasters that I found at Home Goods. They're marble with the gold trimming. So I really like that. One is missing. My husband might have it in the room. And then I just have this Ad at 100 book. That is from Home Goods. And the Marc Jacobs book is also from Home Goods. I have these 2 really pretty candle holders here that I found at World Market. I love them so much. If you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know how I feel about these candle holders. They are gorgeous. I actually have 4 of them. I have 1 in my studio and 1 in my bedroom, but they're so beautiful. And right now, y'all, I am burning a new candle that I just found at Home Goods. Today is the Sand and Fog Winter Pine. So it smells just like Christmas in here. Over here I have the Vanity Fair 100 book. I got that book from Amazon. And then I just have my geode bowl that I made. So I picked up most of these crystals from Home Goods. So it's a variety of crystals in that bowl. And then the bowl itself is from At Home. Okay, so next up is my pretty black velvet chairs. They're so pretty. In my old place, I had one chair, which was this one. And then once I moved here, I decided to purchase another one. So this one is from Wayfair, and this one is from Amazon. It took me a while to find this one because it's been sold out on Wayfair in the black color. I know they have like a teal, which is really pretty, and I want to say like a dark blue, and I finally found it on Amazon, so I was really excited about that. So yeah, those are the chairs. Next up, the TV console. This TV console is also from IKEA, and it's just something simple just to have, you know, my cable boxes on. So just something simple, nothing too fancy. It was a very reasonable price. Then I have my Christmas decor sitting on top of the console, and the garland is from Walmart. It came pre-lit. I love this garland so much, and I'm gonna get a Christmas tree that looks just like this for next year. If I don't buy one for my studio, I want a Christmas tree like this. So pretty. And then the gold reindeers, which are so cute, right? I love it. Look how pretty it is. I found these gold reindeers at Big Lots. So I got two. Very pretty. And then the candles are from Hobby Lobby, and the candle holders are from Amazon. So check the link in the description box, my Amazon link. And then the jar here, the candle jar, this is from Walmart, and the candle is also from Walmart. Okay, so next up is this picture here, and this picture I did myself. Thanks to DIY with KB, she inspired me, so I decided to try to do it myself. I've never done one before, and I really like the way that it turned out. I just went with it, and this is what I ended up with. Above that, I have a picture light, and I got that light from Amazon. It has a remote control that comes with it, so you can control how dim you want the light. So I'm gonna just show y'all how bright you want the light. It has like a timer on it and different things like that, so it's really cool. It makes your artwork look a little expensive, a little restoration hardware vibe. And then my plant, that is Tyrone. I got that plant from Home Depot. And then we have this shelf here. This is another piece from IKEA. And on the top shelf here, mostly everything that you see here is from either Home Goods or Amazon. These two pieces here are from Home Goods. The Tom Ford book is from Amazon. Bowl is from Home Goods. And then here, Home Goods on the vase, Home Goods on the salt lamp. And then this piece here is a Studio McGee piece from Target. The Kinfolk book is from Amazon. The roses is from Rose Forever. Chanel book is from Home Goods. And then I have like some random books here, but that little lady that's sitting on top, she is from Home Goods. The bowl down at the bottom is from At Home, and then the moss, that's the green moss that's in the bowl, is from Michael's. And then I just have like some random books on the side. And that is the shelf. Okay, y'all, so that is it for my living room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys are interested in anything that I have in my living room, check the like to know it link in the description box. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye, y'all.